Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the FPGA daughter board preview. So the first things, let's open our camera. Okay. So this is our FPGA board. I specially designed for our FPGA lessons. And recently, I designed another daughter board for this board. So this is a daughter board for the FPGA board. So we can remove the JTAG and plug like this. Plug like this to adapt the FPGA board. Okay. So the main reason I designed this board is for the LCD module. This is a TFT LCD module. Okay, so behind it is like this. It's like this, and this is FPC connector. It is a SPI module. It's SPI LCD module. Okay, so it's like this. So we will go through the hole on the board like this. Okay, and attach the LCD on the board like this. So behind it will be like this. So we need to solder the connector, the FPC connector on board. Okay, and then plug the FPC, plug the LCD FPC. Okay, so by this way we can test the LCD module and then do some fun thing. Okay, so also you will see here there is some connector pin here and also some connector pin here, so we can connect some interesting module to do some fun stuff. Maybe we can make a FPGA game machine based on this one. Okay, based on this one. Okay, so that's it. This is the daughter board, and I hope I have time to solder it as soon as possible, and so we have some fun thing to do. Okay, so this is Michael. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.